Namaste, this is Dr. Ekawali, consultant obstetrician and gynecologist, Motherhood Hospital, Mohali, and today we'll be talking about some common myths in pregnancy. So first, strict bed rest. जैसे ही आप प्रेग्नेंट होते हैं, everybody in your family starts advising you to take strict bed rest. No walk, no exercise, no working in the kitchen, jobs बंद हो जाती हैं, no driving. So this is a myth. Exercise is not to be stopped. Regular working is not to be stopped. आप जितना काम पहले कर रहे थे, आप उतना काम अब भी कर सकते हैं. The point is, you need to avoid traveling, you need to avoid lifting heavy weights, and you need to avoid squatting for the first 3 months. Otherwise, आप अपना routine work, routine job continue कर सकते हैं. Secondly, at first visit, most of the mothers ask me what foods are to be avoided in pregnancy. Now, everything can be taken in moderation. Extremes of everything are bad. So, थोड़ा moderation में आप सारा खाना खा सकते हैं. Obviously, there are certain things which need to be avoided, जैसे कि raw papaya आपने नहीं खाना है, Chinese food आपने नहीं खाना है because of the presence of Ajinomoto, and then outside food आप try करेंगे avoid करने का because if it leads to gastroenteritis तो हमें आपको antibiotics देने की ज़रूरत पड़ सकती है. Third, eating for two. Now you are pregnant, now you need to eat for 2 people. This is wrong. आपको प्रेगनेंसी में around 300 kilocalories extra चाहिए होता है. More than that आपने नहीं खाना है. Otherwise it will lead to excessive weight gain. Pregnancy में diabetes, hypertension, obesity की complications आ सकती हैं. And then healthy baby is good thing, but overweight baby is not a good thing. So normal हमने डाइट रखनी है प्रेगनेंसी में. Just 300 kilocalories increase करता है, not to eat for 2. Fourth, excessive fatty food घर में खाना शुरू हो जाता है, जैसे excess of ghee in everything. There is a glass of milk with the half ghee and half milk. हर चीज में घी डाला जाता है, बटर डाला जाता है. This is again not good. Excess of fatty food will block your arteries and it is not good for the baby जिसकी arteries उस time बन रही होंगी. So excess of fatty food is to be avoided in pregnancy. Avoid hot bath, hot water, steam in pregnancy. It is very difficult जब कोई pregnant patient हमारे पास cough cold के साथ आता है and we advise them कि अब आपने steam लेना है. So they are very worried कि steam तो गर्म होता है, उससे baby को harm होता है. It is a myth. There is nothing like this. आप गर्म पानी से whatever is comfortable for your body आप नहा सकते हैं, आप गर्म पानी पी सकते हैं if you want to take it, and आप steam भी use कर सकते हैं. Pregnancy में no hair dyeing, no waxing, no lipsticks, no deodorants, no perfumes are to be used. This is not good. A pregnant lady should enjoy her pregnancy however she wants her pregnancy to be. So ये सारे products आप use कर सकते हैं. Obviously, harsh chemicals are to be avoided. Some less than 1% absorption होती है chemicals की through skin. So harsh dyes are to be avoided, but perfumes, nail paints, lipsticks, ये सब कुछ आप use कर सकते हैं. You can get yourself waxed and be comfortable about your body. Avoid dogs and cats. There is some truth behind this. जो dogs and cat poop करते हैं उसमें एक बैक्टीरिया प्रेजेंट होता है टॉक्सोप्लाज्मा which is harmful for the baby. उससे बेबी को fetal growth restriction या और कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स आने का चांस रहता है. So ये truth है. Cats and dogs, yes, you can have them as your pets, but when you are touching their poop and when you are cleaning them, then you need to take proper precautions. You need to wash your hands. Avoid sharing bed with your pets. Color of the baby. Now everybody, dadis and nannies are very excited कि अगर ये खाएगी तो बेबी गोरा पैदा होगा. केसर खाने से, कोकोनट खाने से बच्चे का रंग गोरा होगा. This is a myth. Color of the baby depends on the genes of father and mother. So अगर आप गोरे हैं तो आपका बेबी गोरा होगा, अगर आपका कलर थोड़ा सा डार्क है तो आपके बेबी का वही कलर होगा जो पेरेंट्स का कलर है. Stairs can lead to abortion. This is a myth. Stairs do not lead to abortion. आप stairs climb कर सकते हैं. Obviously, there are certain high-risk pregnancies जैसे कि cervical incompetence, bad obstetric history, recurrent abortion, preterm labor जिसमें हम stairs avoid करेंगे. And stairs climb करते हुए कुछ precautions लेनी ज़रूरी हैं. comfortable footwear, comfortable clothing honi chahiye. And apart from that, stairs are absolutely safe in pregnancy. They do not lead to abortion. Another very funny myth is 8th month पे delivery नहीं होनी चाहिए. It is not safe for the baby. Yes, delivery at 8th month is not safe for the baby. It is a preterm delivery. Baby requires ICU stay. Then 7th month also it is not safe. 6th month also it is not safe. 5th month also it is not safe. You understand that. So point is, preterm delivery nahi honi chahiye. We'll take all the precautions and do everything to avoid a preterm delivery, but specifically strict bed rest during 8th month of pregnancy is not advised. In fact, during this time we want you to work out. We want you to do regular exercises, regular walks, so there are more chances of having a normal delivery. Stop eggs, stop all non-veg food. बहुत ज़्यादा, इनफैक्ट 99% लेडीज़ जो पहले नॉन-वेज खा रही हों, एग्स खा रही हों, अचानक से ये सब बंद कर देती हैं एज एडवाइज्ड बाय द फैमिली. अगेन, ऐसा करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. यू कैन हैव वॉट एवर यू आर टेकिंग. नॉन-वेज फूड इज़ कम्प्लीटली सेफ इन प्रेगनेंसी. कुछ गर्म ठंडा नहीं होता. एंड the point is, it should be well cooked. Raw meat आपने नहीं खाना है, अदरवाइज नॉन-वेज फूड आप खा सकते हैं. Vaccination is not safe in pregnancy. Tetanus के vaccination से abortion हो जाता है. This is a myth. Do not believe this. You need to get your regular vaccinations, which includes tetanus, Tdap, and swine flu vaccination during your pregnancy. There is no vaccination which harms the baby, which leads to abortion. So this is again a myth. Solar eclipse, lunar eclipse में घर से बाहर नहीं निकलना है. Yes, solar eclipse and lunar eclipse are associated with some harmful rays getting onto the earth, but then ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि they harm your baby or they might lead to some congenital malformation in the baby. There is nothing like this. You can go out, you can have your food, you can, do your work, drive a car, everything. These are just myths. Very, very interesting myth is that there are some people, some quacks who can give you some medicines जिससे कि boy हो जाएगा या girl हो जाएगा. This is a myth. These medicines are harmful. They can harm your baby. Do not believe in these quacks and do not take any unprescribed medicines. Lastly, my favorite one, ultrasound harms the baby. Ultrasound rays harm the baby. Again, this is a myth. Ultrasound is completely safe. These are just sound waves at a different frequency which are used during the ultrasound. This is not CT or X-ray. CT and X-ray harm your baby, but ultrasounds do not harm your baby. You need to have 5 to 6 ultrasound in an uncomplicated pregnancy, and maybe more than that if you are having a complicated pregnancy, but then do not avoid your ultrasounds. They are completely safe in pregnancy. So that was all about myths in pregnancy from my side, and we'll be talking about more myths in the postpartum period in our upcoming videos. Thank you.